Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can solve the error system compatibility report, or in most cases unsupported video drivers, when you open Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. So you're going to see this error message mainly when you're going to open Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways to solve this problem. If first of all you click on this fix button right here, it's just simply going to open a web page. So let me show you the 3 different ways how you can solve this problem. The first way is to just simply click on continue with known issues and let Premiere Pro open up. Once you have opened up any project, you're going to go on the top left, click on edit, go to preferences and click on general. Here you're going to have this option show system compatibility issues at startup. So you're going to uncheck this box, press on OK. You're going to close Premiere Pro, and now you're going to reopen Premiere Pro. So now you're not going to see this error message. However, there is one thing to be noted, that once you open any project again, if you're going to see this little red icon on the top right side, then it means that your problem has not been solved and you need to update the drivers. But if this option is not showing after implementing step 1, then you are good to go. But in my case, you can see I'm still having this little error message right here. So the second step is to close Premiere Pro, click on the Windows icon, search for device manager. Here you're going to have say something like display adapters. Click on it, and here it's going to show you your dedicated graphic card like Nvidia GeForce or AMD, whichever you have in your laptop or PC. You're going to right click on it and you're going to click on update driver. You're going to click on search automatically for drivers, and you can see that the best drivers for your device are already installed. So it means that the second step is not applicable in my case. However, in most cases it might work for you if your graphic card drivers are not updated. So the last way is to actually download the latest drivers for your graphic card. In my case, you can see the name is Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. In your case, it may be AMD or another version of Nvidia's graphic card. So for this, we're just simply going to close it. We're going to open Google Chrome, and you're going to search for Nvidia, your graphic card name, drivers download. Again, mine is 1650. You're going to open Nvidia's website. If you have AMD, just simply search for AMD ones. Here you're going to select your graphic card series. Again, from here we're going to click on search, and I'm going to download my driver, which is around 545 MB. So now we're going to wait until the download has been completed. Once the driver has been downloaded, we're going to simply right click on the file and click on run as administrator, the default download location, and click on OK. I'm going to click on agree and continue, and it's going to install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Once the latest drivers have been installed, you're going to click on close. So now I recommend that you restart your PC first and then open Premiere Pro. We're going to open Premiere Pro. And now you can see that the error message has been removed in Premiere Pro. So yeah guys, in this way you can solve the problem that the drivers are not supported in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.